What Would God Do? A Journey of Growth, Faith, and World Peace. I've spent over 8 years deep in personal development, 66 Audible audiobooks in my library, already completed. Jim Rohn said, "Work harder on yourself than you do on your job." That wisdom changed me. I turned my car into a rolling university, programming my mind daily with timeless truths. Every mile, every chapter, every idea sharpened me, because the more you grow, the more you can give. The best gift to the world is not wealth, status, or influence, it's a better version of yourself. Reflections and Faith. I wrestled with mirrors, not just glass but the ones society holds up. Titles, likes, salaries, opinions. Too often they lie, they show flaws, not essence. But faith taught me, your reflection is not your reality. We often ask, what would Jesus do? But one morning, a new question struck me. What would God do? That question silenced me. No one can answer it. God is infinite, beyond error, beyond limits. My lesson, let God deal with what I cannot. When plans collapse, when contradictions trap me in catch-22 moments, I surrender. Faith frees me where rules cannot. Lessons in Paradox. A catch-22 is a paradox where the solution is blocked by the problem itself. Doesn't that echo life today? Bureaucracy, politics, and unwritten rules that hold people back while protecting organizations? Yet history shows us paradox breeds creativity. When no path is visible, innovation is born. From art in ancient times to speeches that shook nations, to today's social media movements, humanity keeps finding new ways to express, to lead, to create. The age of creation. We are creators by design. Everything in this world was once a thought. Ideas became tools, tools became systems, and systems became civilizations. In the age of art, a few led with beauty. In the age of public speaking, leaders rose with words. Today, in the age of social media, everyone holds a voice. The new leaders are not crowned. They are created through content, through courage, through consistency. So I choose to create, to post, to share, to inspire. Because silence is surrender, but expression is power. A final word for the world. Some will call me insane. Others will call me genius. I simply call it purpose. This is my therapy, my offering, my mission. What would God do? God would create. God would redeem. God would multiply love. So I choose the same. Let's make this our collective path. Grow daily, create bravely, heal deeply, believe fiercely. World peace is not a dream. It's the natural result when enough people become their best selves.